Just wanted to do a quick tutorial to kind of resolve that issue that we had seen in class today where we couldn't turn the beams on, so we couldn't figure out how to draw them in the section. I figured it out. The main issue here is that each instrument has to be assigned to a focus area before the beam can be displayed. So I put on some random hypothetical instruments previously during class, and that's why we couldn't turn on the draw beam. So now we can. So I'm going to go ahead and draw. I'm going to select one of these instruments here. I'm going to scroll down in the Object Info palette to this area, and look, there it is, Draw Beam. And when I click it on, you see that it provides me now with a graphic representation of what the beam is going to do. Okay, so now if we were to go to our to my section view here, the section viewport that I've already created, and I'll go ahead and update it. Okay, so now that it's appeared, now we can see the angle that light is going to come in, and it gives us a good idea of where to hit that mid-stage focus point. So what I can do now is double-click, go into my annotations layer. I'll grab my line tool. I'm going to set it with something that I can see. I'll choose red for now. I'm going to grab this top line right here and drag it down. I guess I need to change that now. Still trying to do a class thing here. We'll do that one, the other side of it, just so. And we'll do the same thing. We'll change its attributes. And there it is. So I'm going to grab both of those red lines, by the way, and I'm going to change them maybe to a dashed line. So let me go from here to a line type. We'll change it to a dashed line, and I'll exit the viewport. So there, I've begun that. I can go back now to my front of house layers and turn Draw Beam off. And now when I go back and refresh my section view, it will simply give me the graphic lines that I had drawn to show the approximate angle of that instrument. So we would use those then to make sure that we can get in and around the proscenium arch, under curtains, and other things. But the main thing that we need to be sure of is that the lights, when they're hung, are assigned to a focus point. Then we'll be able to see the beam, and then you can come back in your section view and graphically represent where the light is going.